I always salute, give all the people when they look us koro and they hear us wine. On top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And as they say, welcome to the ogbonge program. We give you license to talk as it be you for body, as it is hot. Today, on top of as it is hot, you get one story when we discuss what happened over the weekend, but it be like say the story never agree come out. And we go discuss them again today. Now the story when we say one newspaper for Nigeria put as their headline on Sunday, say Oga Presido, they ask for the 2 trillion. I go talk am again because the money when they fear person. 2 trillion naira where they be share, give some kind people to take use do campaign so that thing go fit win the election back again. Say he talk, he call them for phone, tell them say, abeg go, how market? Say 28, he no see result. April 11, he no see result. Say time don't reach for them to begin to return the money when they collect. Some people go look and say, yes. Say all the things when they see going into the campaign, all the money that they were sharing. Say if they calculate where the thing go reach 2 trillion, other people go to say, waiting. Say that person go just come and talk, say, Oga Presido, they ask for 2 trillion because now waiting he spent for a campaign. Say na lie. On top of us, see the hot today. Hezuku Chukwudi and Nkubi don't put leg inside one trouser to look this story and see whether not true or not false.
Good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to today's edition of As It Is Hot. As usual, we go open our own phone line for our viewers to call in when that time reach. And as Mook also tell us, say we get 3 solid telephone line for now. When I go call, we will share mind, know within, get our own opinion on the issue. And we also can get 1 to 3 like we say, now go they call, now go talk, now go express our own thoughts about the matter, about the payment, because the payment now we go take the responsibility. My name now Nkubi and this now As It Is Hot. Yes,
without wasting any much of our time, we tell you now say we're on top of Facebook. Go to the Wazobia fan page, like them, anywhere where you see our thread, comment. Remember, say we dey talk am, say As It Is Hot. We don't customize our own fan page and we don't drop them. Anything where you want to discuss there, any matter As It Is Hot for any part of this country, you go sunshine on top of there and we go to discuss the matter they go. We also get a website where if you send us email, asityhot@wazobiatv.tv. Nkubi. No time to waste time.
At all.
Yes, you don't hear this story when we say these people then cook. I go use the word cook because I don't look the story, I don't read them from every angle. I turn the newspaper upside down and I see plenty hole inside the story. And I believe say this is a calculated ploy to tarnish the image of Mr. President.
Chukudi, yes. From your own angle, if you say that way. But then, now me I here yesterday will say, okay, fine. If you be say based on the write-up itself, based on the fact say allege, full for the write-up, we say for this amount of allege today, so which means they never still get any concrete reason to give on these issues. Say maybe not until I get concrete reason, now if you talk say yes, it's true. Say, Oga Jonah do it to spend that kind of much. But for the issue to still date this, still date this fresh, and when we say people don't talk about them, you understand? No, take a look and well.
Which look? Which where you want look for this story?
No.
No. The time he say no. Excuse me. If you want look. Not the time he say make we. This because this thing they bless me.
The same way, hold on now. The same way me and you take rub mine say, it's
I know the rub mine. I know the rub mine on top of this one.
Rub mine that way.
I know the rub mine on top of this one.
Whether not true or not.
It is a fallacious statement. From my own standpoint, I dey look and say na fallacious statement. You know wetin 2 trillion be? That machine when they use they count money for bank, no even fit count 2 trillion. Somebody go just come and talk say Oga President spend 2 trillion. It dey very very easy. Yesterday night I use scientific calculator. They calculate the 2 trillion. The thing show me say the zero finish. And they go pick extra zero. How person go just wake up put this thing for newspaper?
This person will come out they talk this thing. Maybe you don't know whether the person no one make them mention your name.
How you go talk say no one make?
And probably no one mention names of people who say we talk say some top government officials talk this one, talk that one.
Nkubi, you see me and you.
No. I tell you I say make we rub mine, make we look at well. If it no be true. But then,
if it not be true, it not be true. You know say this thing not be true, but you dey whine me. I don't like this thing. Now what you always dey do on all this show be this. You know say this thing not be true, but you dey talk say if it not be. Talk the truth, make the whole world hear you now.
Make we look at this. If to say na issue we concern Buhari now, you go won't find some element of truth inside that particular issue. Where you don't say anything. But then, in this case,
why excuse me. Why you go talk say if to say now you are jumping into my own conclusion? How you go to jump into my own conclusion? Why you go to tell me say if to say now Buhari, I go won't find. We don't agree. Say okay, our papa don't win election. Even people don't even call all this show.
Before you win election, nko.
You said before you win wetin?
Certificate issue, nko.
Now me talk that one. We not be.
No. But then you say come dey so that many people stand say na lie no get certificate. Make it producer. After I don't contest three elections wey no win, nobody ask certificate that time. He come miss now for this fourth one. Now come dey remember say he person no right to work somewhere. Person no get certificate somewhere. Who be una? No be you know the among the spokesperson.
Which they among which who tell you say they among them? Somebody talk something. I can't talk wetin the person talk.
Nah, you can't talk say this one. Nah, you don't become our papa.
We not be our papa before. Why person go come and talk say 2 trillion? Na him Oga Jonas spend. I know this is a calculated story to spoil the good name of Mr. President.
Fine, if it not be true, but no also look at
thank you.
If it not be, but more also look at it. Because we know the kind kurukere waka, that's the kind levels of waka way Oga Jonas do before election.
Which kind kurukere?
You say you go different strategic places, visit different kind of people.
Campaign
and
now,
we hear
campaigning they do now.
We also hear the kind of money.
Which kind of money? Which one you hear?
The kind of money when they drop down.
Which one you hear?
Chukudi.
Which one you hear?
We hear the kind of money where they drop down.
What do you hear? No, they say we. Talk the one where you hear. No, they tell me say we hear the money.
No, they talk.
Why you not go talk?
The Oba zone can talk.
Which Oba zone?
The Obas.
Which Oba zone?
How much be the one to hear say he drop?
Which
to each of them, how much?
Which of them? Which of person visit person? Normally, if you visit person and you dey go and you feel say okay, oh, this person you don't visit.
Every state where you go, what talk say you know drop something.
How you go talk say him drop? Wetin him drop? You see how when he dey drop, you collect receipt. The right receipt give you. Why you go talk say him drop something? Nkubi, I don't even vex.
Vex.
I don't vex.
I say make we rub this in, make we talk am as if, make we look am, make we take our microscopic eye.
Which microscopic eye you wan use dey look this thing now? Which microscopic eye you wan use dey look story? Somebody write story talk say this person talk say he collect this money. This one come go collect this money. Investigative journalism.
But then fine. But for this newspaper this thing company to come release this kind of thing. You know say sometimes newspaper company no go just release anything anyhow.
Who tell you not to
do it? Small maybe the truth we know dey that full but make it be say yes for waiting then release it somehow some element of truth fit dey there.
There's no truth inside this one. 2 trillion. You know wetin 2 trillion be? You know wetin 2 trillion be?
Chukudi.
No, Nkubi. No.
Make we also look at.
This is not right.
Hold on
this
now.
Is not right.
Make we also look at from our church mind, from our own spiritual mind. Make we tell ourselves the good truth. I want to make an answer to this. You want them to say the money that is the launch they do, the campaign launch they do, where it take raise 21.7 billion naira. Now that 21.7 billion naira them bank on.
Of course.
Chukudi. Look am, you want to just be sincere with
yourself.
Be sincere with yourself and be sincere with me. And be sincere with Nigeria.
No, they tell me say make I be
that
sincere with myself.
21.7 billion naira, na him dey take do everything.
No, they tell me say make I be sincere with myself.
Because from the actions wey we see, from the different waka, e go
na lie. We all of us dey when we say okay, Oga Presido people come and talk say we organize this thing to raise money for a campaign. See so thing when this one bring. See so thing when this one bring. See so thing. Then break them down. We use our calculator calculate all this one. You understand? Person when me say fit come and tell you say okay, my friends gather to contribute this money for me to take use do my campaign. When nobody ask am, he show the whole world say am. Why you can't think say people go so say 2 trillion? Who could be? 2 trillion is very very outrageous. You know what it 2 trillion? Now wait, if like say you don't. I do mathematics for secondary school. Now why they use I carry biro come now to calculate 2 trillion. Calculate 2 trillion. 2 trillion if you check out for American US dollars. Now something when we say they reach he pass 10 billion. If that kind of money come up for the pocket of our country, we no go know. Make we allow this man rest now. This man don't talk say okay Nigerians don't come and don't vote. See the person when they vote for. Okay, I accept. He even make phone call. He recharge his phone. He make phone call. You understand? Allow the man finish, making go and go sit down. Why did they bring this kind of story come? 2 trillion. Unkubi, do you know what 2 trillion is? Now waiting the first me for this story be that.
2 trillion or no 2 trillion, make we look at, make we also look at, because I dey come about this one. I want make me and you rub my.
You dey come because you know say na lie.
I don't
you dey come because you know say na lie.
Raise voice, because if I start to raise voice with you, you self no go like am.
Wait, raise voice. Raise any voice.
Make we rub am. Make we rub am.
Happy.
Because from some of the write up wey we see that they say Oga Juna do wetin? Say not less than 20 billion a lot of the ministers get.
How
so
you,
they will take they will fit take support the campaign waka of Oga Juna.
You know wetin 20 billion be? Why they
upon that
no,
say they no
this.
give a result. Say that's why Oga Juna dey vex. Say the kind vex wey dey vex right now. That make am dey do say they demand say all those money una chop make na return am to me.
Nkubi.
And apart from that, you can't even extend that to the royal fathers.
Nkubi.
Say, oh, royal fathers now not even do their own work well. Me na make sure say all those money. If na change, say me na return am to am.
Nkubi. If we check the population of Nigeria, break these 2 trillion down, then carry money give everybody. That money still not go even still complete. I won't make you talk true. You go church on Sunday. I don't know why you will come.
You know whether I go church on Sunday or not.
You know they go church now. I even want to help you for the example when I want to give. Why he be no? This is something that was fabricated. It was fabricated. I don't read the story well. I don't read them.
Listen,
I'm seeing shock.
That is why at the talk say, look, me and you now we dey run this part.
Why you go run paro on top of something where you know say na lie? Why you go run paro on top of something where you know say na lie?
Make me and you check and make we rub minds over am. Make we talk. Make we look am
on top of lie.
Look, view into my own opinion.
On top of lie.
View into my own opinion.
On top of lie.
Go view into your own opinion.
Because your
then
opinion.
From there, we go fit come to a conclusion. So okay, oh, na like this e be.
Nkubi, you know.
Don't just jump into conclusions. Na lie, it's not be true.
Why you go? Why you?
I never want jump. You see me jump into conclusion.
For you to even hold the argument.
My own is under assumption.
Which
so if na so e be.
And now waiting this story be now. This story, this 2 trillion.
It is not so e be.
This 2 trillion naira story, it is. I go speak English now. This 2 trillion naira story is tantamount to assuming the omnipresence, because you write down like say now you did there when it happened. You see them when they collect them. Remember, I said they thought say they buy property, they buy motor, they buy this, they buy that. You don't even mention the name of the motor. You don't even mention the car when they buy. You talk say ministers. You know how many ministers in this country? If you divide them into even 220 billion, Nkubi, maybe they talk true for this matter. I go come out suit. Come
out. You just mention say come out the suit me I see. Come out. Now today begin to come out suit. Come out. Wait inside. I think make we check this, make we rub mind together, make we bring her from your own point of view, make her bring her, make we do it, make we bring her together, jam her together, come to a conclusion. Now you tell say go come out suit now. What concern if you come out suit? How it take affect me? No, they look like that. Don't they look like that? I tell you waiting be true. No, they look like that. I not like him. I not just like, no make me vex now. No make me vex.
Nkubi, na small we been they talk this talk before.
But now start the argument now. Now you take a come suit for me. You take a come suit for me for.
Now small we been they talk this talk.
Now wait say I just keep quiet for you since. Just they rant. Okay, man, not even use word. Just they talk. I just they look you.
But this story, the thing pain me now. How they
say that me no pain. Now me no know they talk.
But why you gonna support them? Say
I not support. I say under assumption, make we check and well, make we see whether it's true or not. You don't conclude say no be true. Me can say okay, if it no be true, but say make we still check whether it's true or not. So what are you trying to? Stress on?
If you know the house now, your landlord can't come out from your room, and only your wife dey inside, and Arapashita, you go assume. If I feel assume, say I feel just assume.
If you assume
under assumption.
If you assume, you can assume because you are different from me. If you assume, if you say say that landlord they come out from Nkubi house, be like say get some paro we get with Nkubi wife.
And only your wife dey wear only tie only wrapper.
Na assumption. And me say if you come, cause say no be true, or either way make I assume self. But not until we check and well, we go know what na true.
But on top of this story, I no go assume, I no go agree this story. This will not be true. How you go talk say 2 trillion naira? Nkubi, make we check am now. Check the budget of Nigeria. A little over 4 trillion. And you talk say 2 trillion. And person spend on top of campaign. Meanwhile,
listen to me. We dey talk as if me and you don't know the height of corruption within this.
Which height of corruption?
Highest level.
You are a corrupt man.
You are corrupt.
You are corrupt.
Your eyes look like
for
a corrupt man.
For you to talk about
in fact, it runs in you. Look at your eyes. What I see all over your eyes is corruption. See, corruption is written all over your eyes. See, look at your eyes. Corruption.
You don't begin to curse me.
No, it's not corrupt. What did your eyes say? Don't be corruption in your eyes.
No, you first mention corruption for
no, you said why you accuse say me said they corrupt?
Why you go mention corruption? We dey talk about you, they mention corruption.
I say corruption in this country.
He call his 2 trillion. He call his 2 trillion.
You never can tell.
How you never can tell something where
money
where machine no fit count. Now you talk say
how many machine? Then because if they talk to machine no fit count. Because I never get time for the machine. Bring out like 100 machine or 1,000 machine. Whether no go count all the money for you. What are you saying?
2 trillion.
See you.
Zero when no they finish.
See you.
Unkubi, I suspect you.
And they suspect you.
I believe this
you,
is...
You.
I'm suspecting you. You are the major suspect in this.
You are the major suspect.
You are the major suspect.
How my relationship they involved in
because
in allegations?
Because you are spreading. You see, they can sue you.
They will sue you.
They can sue you.
They will sue you.
Because this is assassination of character.
I have not come to a conclusion that it is true.
But your assumption
I'm just saying let us check it and see if it is true or not.
Why you go to check
if it is true or not?
Why you go to check it?
Chukudi.
Because my leg long.
And what if not true?
And what if not be true?
That's why I say make we look am.
That's why they say make we not look am. How you go look am if it not be true? If it not be true, nko? Because of say I get long leg, you go conclude say the ball, na me play the ball. Come out inside compound. Is that no?
Anybody can afford to play ball outside the compound.
Thank you. So can you assume that because of say
I never can tell if you be now you go play the ball, go outside compound.
Why you go to assume say na me go play
That's
the ball?
That's why I said let us check it that way.
We cannot check it if it's based on assumption. Make them give us facts. Make we use facts. This thing. That's something when we say they spoil person name. This now Oga president when don't set example when we say for this West Africa nobody don't ever set am.
Oh, because of the example we don't set am, make we not talk. Make we see truth. And make we see something. No talk about them again.
Who could be waiting the Bible talk? By their fruits you shall know them.
Yes, by their fruits you shall know them.
Which fruit the man don't show? The fruit of peace. Now he make when we say in court say this election don't person when we say fit get mind call for election.
Wait. So wait, try tell me. Because of say Oga Jonah don't lose election gallantly accepted. And because of say in call Oga Buhari, say Oga Buhari, yes, me and you don't contest, me and you don't contest and you don't win me. I do see, I congratulate you. Because of say the international community don't talk, say yes, you've done a very good thing. Because of say what's my name? The president of Cote d'Ivoire come visitor Babu visitor come and tell us say okay Gotara rather visitor come say okay you do well, you don't show good example. So because of all these things, make we see through, make we no talk. And what if not true? What if not true? What if not true? Make we just keep quiet because of all these things where we feel say you don't achieve.
If they do like say this, you go fall down from this chair. If they do like,
so make we shine for.
Now me they shine eye for.
To shine the eye.
Which eye I shine for? You know be my natural eye be this.
Oh, na natural eye.
You go see what you go happen.
Na your natural eye.
You go see what you go happen.
Your own natural eye. My own natural eye. Me say get that natural eye.
Which natural eye?
See now.
Which eye? Which eye? I know they fear you. Not even think that because you wake up. You resemble Elder God's day. I know they fear you at all. I'm not afraid of you.
Who is God's day?
Why you assume that you don't know him? Assume that you don't know him.
Who is God's day?
Assume you don't know him.
Why would they take me? Who is God's day by your?
Assume you don't know him.
I want to know who that God's day.
Why will you want to know?
Why would they take me compare person I don't know?
Assume say you don't know him now.
Take me compare somebody who I know, then I go come defend myself.
I go tell you. Assume say you don't know him. Leave it. Assume that you don't know him. Yes.
And I won't be surprised if he even tell me say I wake up resemble Orubebe. I won't be surprised if he said that.
Now you use your mouth talk that one.
No. Because one not take me to God day, it will not be far from it.
How will it not be far from it? How will it not be far from me? Because your name Nabarak.
Anyway, just hold on. Because right now, the way you're doing for body, man, not just take that vex, do it in launch serious attack on you.
You cannot do me anything.
Make we just go this break. Because once you go this break, I know say by the time I will come back, my body go down. Come, go this break.
Are you
mind yourself.
I will give you water.
Mind yourself.